I present to you the participating teams in basketball. First on the list, we have from the Mayor's Office, the executives. Of course, with their muse, Aya Cervantes Montemayor. Okay, then ang music. Siyempre, hindi magpapatalo ang Sangguniang Bayan Team. Siyempre, pinagbubunahan yan ni Councilor Carlito Zapron Jr. Kuya Waki, GSO po, pasis po, thank you. Nakabutot. Siyempre, hindi magpapatalo ang ABC Team. Ma'am Rachel, pasis ako, thank you. Former straight line po. Usog po dito. Usog po. Oh. Yan, thank you. Next, we have the SA Federation Team. Pinag-uunahan yan ni Honorable VJ Bozon, the SA Federation President. We also have from MDR in Market. Siyempre, kasama ang kanilang views. How about the PNP team? Ayan, nasa mga duty pa daw. Alright, DepEd team. Nasaan ang DepEd? Ayan, ikot po tayo, sir. Para makita po ang inyong mga kagwapuhan at kagandahan ng ating mga participating teams. Siyempre, hindi magpapatalo ang Metro Team. Of course, with their coach, nandiyan si Ma'am Rosina Alegrea. News, ma'am. News pa na, sorry. How about the engineering team? Siyempre, hindi magpapatalo ang MPDC Fire.
Wow! Wala namin buwara. Go, Ate Joey!
Next in line from Patmos. And our last team basketball from agriculture team. MO, usap tayo doon. SP, FNP, pausap ko ng konti. Sakto na lahat. Alright, maraming salamat po. At this point in time, let's proceed with the presentation of the women's volleyball. First on the list, we have from Team RHU, the Little Warriors. Next up, from accounting teams. Siyempre, naman si Dr. Fe. Next line from Ground Beaters. Dati po doon po. Doon kayo sa harap ng MO. RHU. Next, we have from Mayor's Office Avengers. Alright, for their coach, Attorney Cynthia Matiguta. Manager and coach, Assistant Coach Sir Bartolome. Next up from Team SP Bullers. And to complete our teams in women's volleyball from DepEd. Ayan, nandito ba? O, nandito sila. Kahit may klase, nandito sila para sumipot at magilis ako for our celebration. Alright. Women's volleyball, harap na lang po tayo dito. Maraming salamat, Aya Cervantes Montemayor. Ayan, of course, proud to represent the banner of Mayor's Office. Siyempre, hindi magpapatalo ang ating pangalawang candidate.
Babe.
Hello, good afternoon to each and everyone. Ang hindi hihiyaw masusukan ng bahay! Ay, relax! Ano ba ito? Kayong mga boys, huwag na kayong bumili ng magic sarap. Dahil ang tunay na sarap, sa akin mo lang malalasan. I am Ayesha de la Cruz, your former muse ng Santa Barbara, representing MDR Lee. Na, thank you.
Naman natin sa pamamagitan ng batas at ng Panginoon, tigilan. Kasihan nawa kami ng buong may kapal.
Alright, maraming salamat, Gerald Gregorio. Next, let's proceed to the ceremonial ball toss. So nakapag-draw lots na po kami in our women's volleyball. So may game 1, 2, and 3 na kami mamaya. Start kami ng 5 p.m. sa Orbos. Ayan, so RHU versus Counting, Brown Diggers versus DepEd, and MO versus SP. So mamaya po, draw lots paata kayo. And then meron pa tayong short briefing according to our sports coordinator. So Sir Ben, ladies and gentlemen, ayan, so let's proceed ayan, to the ceremonial ball toss in basketball. So lahat po ng coaches, ayan, or the team captains in different teams, maraming salamat po. Alright, thank you. Next, we have our Municipal Vice Mayor, Helge Navarro. Alright, thank you. And Board Member Vice Ventanino, please. Alright, maraming salamat po. Ayan. Next po, team captain or coach po ng women's volleyball. Sige na po. Alright, tatlo po. Sa kabila po yung tatlo. Tatlo. Alright. Okay. Usog dito. Sila, sir. Sir. Alright, thank you. At this point in time, let's proceed to the photo opportunity para lahat po ay mabigyan ng pagkakataon na magpa-picture po sa ating mga bisita. Okay, let's start. Okay na. Opportunity. Okay. Thank you.